So today I'm going to show you how to set up this racetrack. So we're just going to take these two, you want to match them up. There's slots on both sides, just slide them in together. We're going to go through and do that over and over again. And if you need to take them apart, basically just going to pull them apart gently and then they can come back apart. So put these together, make sure you don't bend anything, and you get good contact with the metal parts. Okay. Next piece we need is a short piece of track. Next we need a long section. Now we're going to make these loops. So this is the longest looped piece. So there's different sizes with these. You're going to take the longest ones, and what we're going to do is we're going to pinch them so this opens up a little bit. So we're just squeezing it, snapping it in place, and unclipping it if you need to take it off. So I'm going to do that on the front and the back of this with the longest ones of these to help support it. That just helps take some strain off the track. I'm going to take another one of those really short pieces. We're going to put them on here now. Now we're going to take one of the medium-sized and the long-sized tracks. We're going to put those together. So we're going to need 2 turns, and again one of the medium length piece of track. I'm just going to hook these up over here. So I'm going to just give the overview of what's left. So we have a medium straight, long straight. These are curved, so these are the M's. You get 4 of those curved pieces. Long straight, regular curve that's not curved up, medium, another regular curve, short piece, long piece, long piece. You have 2 loops that take 4 of the big circle, or 4 of the big arcs. Then you get a long, 2 of the short arcs, regular turn, 2 short arcs, long piece, and that'll bring you back to this. We'll go through where we put all the supports in a second, but we're going to just push all this together and support it from there. Okay, so now I'm going to go over the remaining components. So the only other two long pieces for these are going to be at this corner and here, and I'm leaving it on the sides they need to go. Then you're going to have, I believe, these are all the short ones. So this is a short one, a short one, a short one, and the only two medium ones are going to go on the outside of this track back here. Now, in order to brace these and keep them from wobbling, they give you two pieces to attach. So these pieces will clip on this just the same as what these little red pieces do. I'm just going to clip those together. That'll hold the top of the track together. Gives you this little piece, and that goes underneath here and holds the track together towards the bottom. Stand back. So that's why you need the spacers. At least brace the tops. So for these, usually go around these turns. This is where the cars fly off. So they give you these little clips. You clip them to the side. So these guardrails, they're going to clip onto the track. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this, you're going to push up, and then they snap in. And basically that's to guard it from falling off the side. To get them out, it's probably easiest to pull it out from the side. These race cars need to be in the channels, and you also need to make sure that these brushes need to be like this. They need to be pointed towards the rear of the car. If they don't point back and they're pointed forward, they're not going to work right. So this little pin has to be in the little slot. These have to be pointed both back on both sides. They do give you spares in the box. They will go bad over time. So we're going to put those here. We're going to connect up the little controllers. Effectively, you need these two notches to go up, and they go in these first two slots. Then your power, same idea, the two slots go up. Plug that in. Plug everything in. Remember, these have electricity going through them when you're pushing on them, so you can get electrical shocks, but effectively, they're all set up. Ready? I'm gonna go in, and as soon as I hit like here, I'm gonna hit this button, and it's gonna go shoo! But as soon as I'm like up here, I gotta let go of this button. Now let's see if it works. And then I gotta slow down, go fast. See? Go fast. There you go. And then you slow down. And then you go slow.